Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile as you get fit, toned, and flexible. Welcome to March Madness, and we'll be doing shoulder bridge, a classical Pilates exercise. Make sure you subscribe to get the rest of the individual exercises this week. Classically, this exercise was started right after scissors and bicycle. I will link that exercise video below. With a lot of control, bring your feet down, supporting or cupping your hips with your hands. Reach one leg up, squeeze those triceps together, point your toes as you lift that leg up, flex it as you press down. Notice that my elbows are really holding most of the weight and none of the weight is on my neck. My hips stay still and my abs are in tight. My feet and knees are parallel. If you'd like to see a modified version of this exercise, stay tuned. Instead of cupping your hips with your hands, you can simply have your arms at your side and extend one leg up and do the flex and point and the leg kick. Notice I still don't have a lot of weight on my legs. And then if you want to up it from there and get your body used to being on your shoulders, just squeeze your hands together and interlace the fingers before going into your kicks. I hope you enjoyed today's shoulder bridge exercise. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. My name is Jessi Fit Pilates, and this is your home to get fit, toned, and flexible.